Hi, Ritvik. Welcome to Desi Martini. My name is Xenia, and thank you for joining in with us. And congratulations that Bandish Bandits completed a year. Thank you for gifting the audience a show like that. And how has your life been? 1 year of Bandish Bandits, how is it going?
Well, firstly, thank you for having me, Xenia. Thank you, Desi Martini, for having me. This is an absolute pleasure. And it's been 1 year, and it doesn't even seem like it's been so far. It still feels like a couple of months ago the show had just released. People are still talking about it wherever I go to work, or if I'm stepping out and if I meet new people, they're still talking about Bandish Bandits, and that makes a lot of difference because we never thought while we were making a show, while we were making Bandish Bandits, that people would love it and accept it in this manner. And the way right from people who are actors to musicians to people from the film industry, people from outside, laymen, whoever's watched it had only good things to say about it, and that I think is a rare possibility. And life has not been any different. Life has just been filled with joy since then. But most definitely, Bandish Bandits changed a lot of things for me professionally, and it does make me very my heart full of joy. It makes me a little heavy in the chest to think about it, that I've been so lucky that I got the opportunity of being a part of something like this, and hopefully many more to come. And hopefully very soon, before you even ask me, hopefully very soon we have a season 2.
मतलब क्या अब मुझे क्वेश्चंस करने हैं, अगर क्वेश्चन करने से पहले आप जवाब दें तो ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा ना। जैसे मैं क्वेश्चन करने वाली हूँ कि आप क्या क्यों पहने।
That is because I can't. मैं आपको ये नहीं दिखा सकता कि मेरे बाल इस वक्त कैसे लग रहे हैं, because I'm shooting for something and I have been very coyly and very respectfully asked to not reveal the look, even though you can already see that my face looks a little different from Bandish. My head also looks very different right now, and I'm not apparently not supposed to show it to people yet. So even at home, I'm wearing a cap and talking to you. So because of that, yes.
Yes, but अब तो एक दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जब आप बात कर रहे हो, obviously it would make everyone curious. So you have to tell us what is this project and what's going on.
I have to tell you. Okay, fine. I shall tell you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you as much as I can and as much as I'm allowed to. I'm doing another web show. I'm doing a series. It's a crime drama, and it's a very warped part that I'm playing. It's a fictional take on a real life incident that had happened. A real life. How do I put this? A certain illegal activity that was carried out for a really long time in our country. Wow, I'm actually camouflaging a lot of the ideas very well. So I'm a part of that, and we are almost on the last leg of finishing that shoot. We've been shooting for that from the beginning of this year, and it's been very taxing, at the same time very enjoyable experience, because I'm working with some very fine actors. And yeah, that's about it. Which platform it will come on, what is the show called, what is it about, and why am I looking so warped?
Who's directing it? Who's your co-stars? You're not going to reveal any of that.
I would love to, but I'm not allowed to. Yeah, I can't wait यार. मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि मैं सारी चीजें बोल दूँ, because I'm that excited about this project. लेकिन रुकना पड़ेगा कुछ और देर, but very soon.
But things take time. Yes.
Things take time, yeah.
Is this the same show that you had been shooting for in Bhopal when you got COVID?
Oh yes. Oh Lord, yes, it's the same show. This show has seen delays and pandemics and lockdowns and whatnot, but hopefully it turns out well, क्योंकि काफी मेहनत की है हमने, और काफी पेशेंस के साथ, धीरज के साथ हमने काम किया है, क्योंकि हर 15-20 दिन के बाद कोई ना कोई नया इशू खड़ा हो जाता था और हमें शूट रोक देना पड़ता था. But all good now. We are back with a bang and we are shooting with all guts and energy. तो देखते हैं अब जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
जो होगा अच्छा ही होगा. There's nothing. Let's always hope for the best, because
Absolutely.
Something like Bandish Bandits, you didn't think it would go that big, but it went so big. But also the fact, when your first project, you have worked in many other short projects for for the web before, but this was a longish. This was kind of like your first debut as a lead as a whole. But जब first project इतना बड़ा होता है, there's a lot of expectations that ride on you. There's a lot that you expect from yourself because you have set a benchmark that's way up. How do you deal with that baggage? Has it caused any baggage of sorts at all?
I'm going to sound like a pompous ass right now saying this, but very honestly, no. Because in a very early stage in my life, I realized that the more expectations you have, there are more chances of you getting hurt by yourself. So you rather just keep doing what you're good at. You rather just keep doing what you want to. और फिर उसका क्या होगा वो तो आगे पता ही चल जाएगा. अभी बैठ के सोचने में कोई फायदा है नहीं. But there was one thing definitely that after Bandish release that I as an actor did think about, that more than anything else, people have started to believe, and I guess I'm selling this really well to them. People have started to believe that I can do a good job. People have started to believe that ये लड़का शायद कुछ करेगा आगे जाके, ये शायद अच्छा एक्टर, ये शायद मेहनत करेगा. I have to live up to that. You know, that is the only thing that keeps running in my head. That I cannot turn around and say, no, you thought I'm good at my job, but I'm actually not. And that's a huge fear that I have. I don't know if I can call it a fear of failing or if it's a fear of result. जो बचपन से ही हमारे देश में कम से कम, आई हैव नॉट स्टेप्ड आउट ऑफ इंडिया एंड नोन अबाउट द एजुकेशन सिस्टम देयर, बट बचपन से हमारे देश में तो कम से कम ये हमेशा सिखाया जाता है कि फेल मत होना, एग्जाम्स अच्छे से देना. तो वो डर कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग में बैठ जाता है. सो आई एम डेफिनेटली वेरी fearful of failing, but I don't know what failure is. I don't even know what success is. So I'm glad as long as I'm living in the dark, I won't have a lot of stress in my life, hopefully. तो अभी तो बस मजा आ रहा है कि बहुत सारा काम आ रहा है सामने से और बहुत प्यारी कहानियां सुन रहा हूँ मैं, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स पढ़ने मिल रहे हैं. तो होपफुली दिस शो दैट आई एम डूइंग, I can't say if it will live up to Bandish. I can't say who I'm playing will live up to Radhe, who I played in Bandish. It doesn't even have to, because it's such a different show. It's such a different character. What I'm doing now is so poles apart from what I've done before. And was it a conscious choice? No, it was just the most exciting project that came my way, so I took it up. It wasn't like कि कुछ अलग करना ही है, but बहुत अलग मिल गया और काफी exciting कुछ मिल गया, तो ले लिया मैंने और I took up the challenge and now I'm just enjoying.
Right. I really like you. One, for the fact that before I ask you any question, you answer them.
Yeah.
I was supposed to ask if it's a conscious choice, but आपने खुद ही बोल दिया, was it a conscious choice? No. But
No, it's not.
So cool.
Thank you, Xenia. Thank you.
It came out that your birthday is in 29. What is this misunderstanding? Tell Wikipedia to change it, na?
मुझे नहीं पता. Who's come up? My people don't know my parents' names, right? They don't know my birth date, right? Everything on the internet, not everything. Most of my information on the internet is fake. पता नहीं ये किसने लिख दिया, कहाँ से लिख दिया. And I'm not even going out and trying to clarify it, is because चलेगा. एक बार 28th में celebrate कर लेंगे, एक बार 29th में celebrate कर लेंगे, जब आपका मन चाहे. अच्छी बात है 2-3 बर्थडे हो जाए एक ही साल में.
There were reports, I know this is very disconnected, but there were reports that you would be a part of Ishq's remake. Is that correct?
By Ishq, do you mean Inder Kumar's Ishq or do you mean the Malayalam film Ishq?
I mean Inder Kumar's Ishq, but if it's
No.
a Malayalam film Ishq's remake also, you can tell us, you know.
No. So I really hope Inderji makes a remake or a sequel to that Ishq, because I love that film. It's hilarious. I'll never forget Amir Khan saying "Mara Mara Mara." That was really funny. But no, the news that had come out some time back was about the Malayalam film Ishq that was being remade in Hindi, and the article said that I'm going to be a part of it. I have no idea where that article came out from. I have no idea who spoke about it. I don't know what was happening. There was a time when we were in talks for it, but because there was some major date issues and I was already committed to something else, it didn't work out. And no, I'm not a part of that film. But whoever is, I really hope it does really well. Because it's a very exciting story, a very exciting film. The Malayalam version was also beautiful. So hopefully it does really well and it comes out really soon. And you guys see who actually is in Ishq, because I am not. I'm not in it. Hopefully, yeah. मैं तो अपना काम कर रहा हूँ. When the projects come out, is now up to the producers and the directors. And as soon as they do, hopefully fans like it too.
Future projects से ये तो बनता ही है, because this should have been the first question that would come. That's when's Bandish Bandits 2 coming out? Sequence तो बननी
Very,
चाहिए.
very soon. Firstly, we've already acknowledged the fact long back that season 2 had been commissioned. तो season 2 होने तो वाला है, for sure. कब होने वाला है? Exact dates मुझे भी नहीं पता. But I must say कि जोरों शोरों से काम चल रहा है. And we are very excited to step on board again and bring out another show that hopefully will touch your hearts again. Hopefully. Because most of the time it's really difficult to live up to what you've already made, you know, and sequels generally come with a lot of pressure. But we've decided that we'll not look at it as pressure. We'll look at it as a challenge, and this challenge is accepted. And all we're going to do is bring back the love of music, bring back the love of love, and make sure we make you happy, we make you cry, we make you laugh as much as we can. And yeah, but we'll be back very soon.